Welcome guys. I'm going to show you how to export chat to an email address or to any other external body outside of WhatsApp. So if you open WhatsApp, or maybe you're chatting on your own WhatsApp or anybody's WhatsApp, you have access to the WhatsApp, you opened it, and then maybe for some reason you want to see these chats, right? All of these chats. All you need to do, or you want to send it to another person, all you need to do is to click on this more icon, and then you are going to see where they say export. If you can't find it here, it's fine, just click on more, and then you are going to see where it says export chat. You click on export chat, and then you can either do export without media or you export with media. Now when you click on this, it's going to load up, and this is actually going to save into a compressed image. So you can actually send this to an email, or I already selected an email, so it started going. So let me do that again. I want to show you guys because there are even more options. So include media. Now you can see there are WhatsApp and other options. Every other option you have is going to display here, and for some case you can swipe up or swipe up to see even more options. These are all of the options that are available. You can do Bluetooth or do all this. Now that is actually not the real thing. Now the real thing is this. After you might have transferred this, you know what, let me send this to another email of mine. So I send this to another email of mine, and the phone is right next to me. So this is the phone right here. So I go over to my email. I have not received it yet, but don't worry, I'm going to get it. So usually once you get the email, right, probably see uploading because internet is quite slow on my own end. Still haven't received. So I can just go to my sent message. I just want to show you guys something very quick. So this is the chat, right? I am going to receive it eventually. The reason why I did not receive it is probably because the network is slow. So this is the chat right here. Oh, I just received it right now. So I can now click and then download. So once you have it downloaded on your device, you can see it's being downloaded. Okay, you know what? Let me just do it on this device. Now, when you have it downloaded, now let me cancel. This is what I just downloaded right now. If you click on it, you can see the information, the text, and the images that are on the text, right? Now, I can also click on them individually, but depending on the device. But then, if you have this, all you just to do is either you create a new folder or you just extract. So when you extract, it's going to extract all of this file, everything. So I'm going to say delete the zip file after extract. But if you want it to remain there, just uncheck this. So you click on extract, it's going to extract, and once it's done, it's going to be displaying. It's going to be displaying right here. It's not displaying yet. Let me go back, and this is downloads. This is it. This is everything right here, and you can now see the message I have right here. No. This is not it, right? Oh yes, it is. But for some reason it's not opening properly, so I just opened it, and now this is the chat I was having. Now the different thing is it's not going to open it the same way it appeared here. Now let me show you guys the chat on this device. So this is the message. You can see on this top, this is hello, this is February, and this is an image. This is a first sticker, and you can see it's right there. It says message are called blah 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 encrypted, and this is the hello. You can see the hello right here. This is still the hello, and then this is an image, which is also an image that is also zip, and then this is a pin message, and the same date. And I think this pin message has been deleted because this is a one-time message post, and this is hey, which is actually this one, and then this is hi. Everything is showing right here. Now if you also go back, you can see the image displaying right here. So every image and every chat that you have with the person is going to be appearing when you have exported it, or when you have extracted it, I mean. So right, if maybe for some reason you cannot find, after you extracted it and you try to look for the message or the downloaded chat and you can no longer find it, all you need to do is to go to your file area. Make sure you have a file explorer application. Go to the file area. That should be under downloads, right? I cannot see downloads here for some reason, so I can click on this area. Okay, that did not work that way. So let me go to internal device, and then this is downloads, and this is it right here. You can see. So also the zip file is this one right here. You can see 2 minutes ago, and then this is also 2 minutes ago. So this is it. This is all I want to share with you. And that is it for today's video. So if you have further question about this, please let me know on the comment section. And guys, I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace, guys. Stay safe.